This initial solution will show you how to make someone automatically get a role on Discord. So first of all, log into your Discord account and open the server. And click on the server name and go to server settings. Click on roles. And now we need to create a new role. So click on create role. And give it the role name. Pick a color from here for the role. Make sure to put the bot at the top. Now you have to open this website yagpdb.xyz. Once you are in this website, click on control panel and click on login using Discord. Click on authorize. Once you logged in, click on select server and select here the server. Continue. Authorize. And here ensure that you are not a robot. Click on Tools and Utilities and select Auto Role. Automatically assign members to this role. Click on this drop down and select the role you just created in your Discord server and click on Save. And then anytime someone's joined to the server, they'll automatically assign to this role. So this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe Initial Solution. See you in the next video.